the generators on both sides of the river, the power plants. All right. So we got our money's worth of these diversion tunnel projects over 80 years ago, and are still in use today by the Hoover Dam. Ladies and gentlemen, the diversion tunnel. Right. Now, folks, please listen up very carefully. We are taking 2 elevators back upstairs to go see the power plant. So as you leave this room as a family together, right? That way you won't be separated on the 2 elevators. Follow me this way, please.
Oh boy. Towards the wall. When that door opens, we're going to be a mad rush of people coming out. We don't want to get run over.
Isn't that cool? I'm glad you got that. That's excellent, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Was it? How do you? All right. On the right, coming through, coming through. Patient while I know the other elevator. I'll be right back to you guys, all right? We'll be on our way.
I don't know. That's where the workmen go. I don't know where that goes. Where are you going now? Right here. Okay.
Is it safe?
There's a fly. That's just wrong. At least it's a fly and not a bee, right?
Is there a fly in here?
There was.
Oh my goodness. He's gonna have a
He's
surprise. What do you want?
He's on me.
Fly.
Oh.
Where's my bug zapper?
Yeah.
Bug assault.
Yeah. God, we're all perfect little people. Like we all waiting for them. Like a bunch of lemmings.
Hi. Especially if the Great Lakes man.
We're ready.
Well, he's loading the other one. Maybe they hasn't, you know.
No, I don't.
Trying to think of the word. I can't think.
They're not as smart. They need it.
Claustrophobic.
All right, folks. Thank you very much for your patience. We do have a big group.
About time.
Oh, if you think that was long, wait till this elevator ride. Oh, we're there. I'm on this way.
Oh my.
Are we there?
Yeah.
Are we there yet?
Well, I am.
Are we there yet?
I'm with you. reason why this ride was so fast is because we're only going up 30 feet from that tunnel below us. All the white that you see along the sides of the tunnels, that's when after the water seepage, it evaporates and then it leaves this calcium carbonate and these other minerals that you see. All right, I think it's an empty room, right? Go ahead, let's go in. Make everyone off the rail, please. All the way down to the bottom.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, come on in, please. Feel free to go anywhere around the rail that you want. Over here where I'm raising my hand, there's a whole rail this way. You can have a different perspective on the generators. You can have a different vantage point for your pictures. Right this way. Take all the pictures you want. Take all the video you want. I just caution you to keep your cameras inside the rails, because if it goes over the rails, we cannot go get it.
Carter.
And if you're interested, there is a water fountain on the corner to my right. So you feel free to get a drink of water, and of course you see the benches in the back if you want to need to take a sit for a little bit. Otherwise, please come on in and make yourselves comfortable inside the balcony, and I'll start my formal presentation when everybody's in. Yeah, feel free to separate from your families, because we'll regroup before we leave. Okay, I think we're all in. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Again, my name is Eno. And on behalf of the Bureau of Reclamation, Department of Interior, I would like to welcome you all to the Nevada side of the power plant. Most of you are already looking down the center of the room, and you're looking at our commercial generators. We have 17 of these big commercial generators. We have these 8 here in Nevada, and we have 9 more on the Arizona side of the power plant. Each one of these generators you're looking at weigh 4 million pounds each. They're 70 feet tall, but you can only see the top 30 feet of them. If there is a light on top of a generator, that indicates that generator is online and currently producing power. Just by looking straight down the road, you will see that the first one online is N2. That stands for Nevada's number 2 generator. And then N7 and 8 on the far end are online. When they produce power, they can produce 130 megawatts of power. When combined, all 17 generators produce 2,074 megawatts of power. That is more than enough electricity for over 1.5 million homes in Southern California, Nevada, and Arizona. Now, if you continue looking down the center of the room, and just above the generators, you will see those 2 green P&H bridge cranes up there. Those 2 bridge cranes are original to this building from the 1930s. They both span the width of the room, and they both ride on tracks that run the entire length of this power plant. Each of those bridge cranes can lift 300 tons. To give you an idea of how much lifting capability that is, just one of the bridge cranes can easily lift the Statue of Liberty, which weighs in at a whopping 225 tons. When we combine those 2 bridge cranes together, they form what we call the super crane, and it can lift 600 tons. That's going to be very important or very helpful if we ever had to lift one of the rotors inside these generators that can weigh up to 580 tons. Now, the next thing I want to bring your attention to you on the power plant is actually on the floor itself. If you look straight down on the power plant floor, you will see that silver metal railing. Inside that silver metal railing is a rust-colored piece of equipment. That's called a pellet water wheel generator. We have 2 of these pellet water wheels. We have this one here, and we have its sister on the Arizona side. Each of these pellet water wheels can generate 2.4 megawatts of what we call in-house power. They provide all the power necessary to operate this entire Hoover Dam complex, to include its facilities like the elevators and the lights that we're using on our tour today. Now, the next thing I want to bring